Yeah. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Happy Vlogmas day number, I'm gonna guess 21 by the time this goes out.
Okay.
Out of 25.
I would have no clue because it's your channel, not mine.
Yeah. And we're gonna say about, let's say happy number 21. Jesse and I are doing a rematch today from, what, last year, the year before? How long ago has that been now?
I think it was maybe a year ago, year and a half maybe.
Year and a half ago, where Jesse actually beat me. And then Jesse's one-handed now.
And you're two-handed
And
now.
I'm two-handed now, so we flip-flopped, and we're doing a little rematch. Yeah, we're gonna run it back. So Jesse, tell the people a little bit about yourself, even though everyone basically knows you already.
About 4 years ago, I got involved in the bowling space, working with Darren Tang on his YouTube channel, and that's what people know me as. Darren Tang's editor, cameraman,
The mastermind.
whatever. Yeah, whatever word you want to say.
Mastermind.
I think creative director.
Creative director?
is the term that I like. Yeah.
Okay, he's the creative director behind popular channels such as Darren Tang YouTube channel as well. And what about Simos?
Oh yeah, and I do Simon's channel also. There you go.
There we go.
We out here.
And me, I'm just one guy with an iPhone and a dream. So this is what we're doing today. We're gonna shoot a one-game match, spares included,
Yeah.
endless 10 frame.
If you want to.
That's true. All right, so when we can trade on Pokemon trading card game Pocket,
Yeah. Let's see what I got.
which is not anytime soon.
No, they said soon.
Soon?
Yeah.
The loser has to give the winner one of the valuable cards. All right?
Down.
We'll see you on the lanes. Oh, and subscribe, because unlike Darren's channel and Simo's channel, I'm struggling here bad, guys. I'm down bad crying at the gym. That's a Taylor Swift reference.
Okay.
We're at 43,000 subs. I really want to get to 50. I really want to get to 100, but I can't do it without you guys or without Jesse.
Literally, without you guys watching right now, you have to hit the subscribe button.
All right, so Jesse and I are going to rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. You want to go on shoot?
Sure.
All right, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You want to go first or second?
I'll go.
All right, so Jesse elected to go second. We're gonna one take this. We're gonna do it all here on lane 2. I'm gonna start physics blackout. Starting pretty far left. Let's see what this looks like here to start. All right.
Hey, two-handed looks good
I
so far.
missed left a little bit.
A little. Conventional.
You put it all the way in?
With an it.
Conventional with an interchangeable thumb. I like it. Shout out to Vice.
If I was two-handed, that would have cut it out.
If your rev rate was 500, it would have
cut it.
It would have knocked it out. I didn't know it was conventional though. That's crazy.
You know why?
Why?
Because I love throwing house balls so much. And so I was like, let me just drill a ball. Oh no. I keep sticking on my spares, dude.
All right, so I got a little bit of a lead after one.
Yeah, a little bit.
Even though I think I would agree, and so would the fans, that you threw a better first shot than I. Because mine went.
That's bowling.
I went Brooklyn.
That is bowling.
Because bowling. All right, I'm not going to make a really big change, except I'm going to try to hit my mark. Because that last shot I missed that pretty bad. I was like, where's the 10? And then it fell, so I'm good. I'm good.
Nice
All
shot.
right. Whoosh.
Nice shot, brother.
I've been thinking about this rematch every day
Oh
since
my
we
God.
last bowled.
You forgot that I even won. That's not getting there. I knew that wasn't getting there.
But it sounds better when I
just-
say that I've been thinking about it every day.
Okay. Oh, jeez. It's gonna be one-way traffic, Lewis.
One-way traffic?
From you.
Take your thumb out of the ball.
It has to come out at some point, right?
Spare?
Not quite. What's up, dude?
Mike's hot.
One take, no cuts?
Huh?
One take, no cuts?
One take, no cuts. Hot mic, hot mic, hot mic. All right, so in the driver's seat right now, just got to keep executing. Don't want to give him much. Because I don't want to lose. I've never beat anyone on the Darren channel. Oh! All right, well. I almost left it last time, and then I...
That's bowling.
Should I try to shoot this the way... what's Ryan Barnes? Have you see the way he shot it?
Yeah.
That was crazy. All right, I thought that was a pretty good shot.
I saw that live, by the way.
Spare. That would have been crazy. You saw it live?
Yep. Okay, hold on. And of course, I get around it more and just makes it shoot off it. I'm averaging 9 per frame.
Huh?
I'm averaging 9 per frame.
Well, if you get the spare, it'll be more than 9 per frame.
It's asking a lot right now.
It's pretty early in the morning, yes.
Oh my God, dude. Everything is just getting to the right.
All right, well, let's keep our foot down and not blow her 710. That was a pretty bad break, I would say. Wow. That's crazy. I mean, I'd rather shoot a 7-pin than a 10-pin, but it's a good shot. All right. Could this be the end, the beginning of the end for me?
Wow.
Did you think I was going to miss that left?
No.
Because I thought I was going to miss that left. Oh, thanks, sir.
Okay, come on, dude. Keep going.
Bang!
Let's just do that every time.
You could. So I got 56 in the third and a spare. Jesse has 27 in the third with a strike.
Giving Lewis every single chance to find the right line.
There we go. That was a good shot.
I thought you leaked it right for a sec, but
Well, I did.
Oh, okay.
Intentional. Trying to create a little bit more shape. Imagine me saying that.
that's funny.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hook.
get there.
Whew.
That was so bad.
Wait.
All the way right, all the way around it.
It was bad in all the right ways though. Like it got to the part of the lane where it needed to.
Clearly not.
Well, I would argue that's better than a big four.
Oh, I agree. Oh, dude. Every spare shot I'm sticking for some reason. Oh, jeez. Sure is. So far, the match is going about how anybody would have predicted it.
No. You beat me last time.
I'm bowling one-handed now, and you're bowling two-handed.
Yeah, but
And you have the ball of the year.
I think you've been bowling one-handed longer than I've been bowling two-handed. And if I was throwing the ball of the year, I'd be throwing the Effector.
Come on.
Jesse needs to start. Hey, in the chat, in the comments, tell Jesse to throw some more strikes. Wow.
That's what happens when you take your thumb out of the ball.
Were you secretly hoping that the 7 would have stood?
Of course. I don't think that needs to be a secret. I needed it to stand.
Well, I mean, my 10-pin spares have been a little wishy-washy. But let's try to knock this over.
Nice shot.
Oh.
That's not good. That is very bad. Oh, jeez. All right, GG, man.
GG?
I don't even think I get to where you're at now. That's nice.
You can call it whatever you want.
Oh, man.
What's your max?
My max is like 73.
173? My max is 235. All right, let's take a shot here. All right.
I remember when my balls used to do that.
Bowl the rest of the game two-handed.
Who's balls? Ball's not official.
Oh, fingertips? Nice.
It's a little bit heavier. The lower pro.
I'm gonna ball you, Jesse. Fingertips and your ball.
Oh, Jesus. God. That was awful.
All right, spare. Your max is 163.
You've already gotten there.
Well,
And
I might
wait,
double gutter in the 9th to make it close.
You say endless 10 frame?
Whatever. All right. We're there already.
What is this guy doing? Why is he using his spare ball? What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
That was a good shot.
Why are you using a spare ball?
Because it's over.
Bro.
And then I'll throw my strike ball for the spare.
Next time we should 1v1 house balls.
1v1 house balls? Let's
Yeah.
do it. Do it right now.
Yep.
Ugh. Right over here. That's what it looks like. Ugh.
Do I get the endless 10th frame?
Huh?
Do I get the endless 10th frame?
Yeah. Yeah, Jesse gets the endless 10th frame.
I wonder how many strikes I need.
I'm gonna spare this though. Ooh, that would have been sweet. Yeah, we can figure out that math. So I shot 190.
All right. I've got 163.
So,
So
103.
3, 4, 5, 6.
So you need 6. You need a 6-bagger. Jesse needs a 6-bagger to win with the endless 10th frame.
Or a spare.
Nope.
And then no.
You have to, it has to punch out, right?
Strike and fill.
Oh, striking the fill. Oh, okay.
One good shot. Oh, get there.
There's one.
It's not happening, bro. I've never thrown a six bagger one-handed in my life.
You never thrown a six-bagger one hand in your life?
No.
Hey, let today be it.
Documented on camera on the Luis Napoles channel.
Hey, I appreciate you saying my name right.
You know, I almost said Louis Nips. I was very close. Oh, that's a very bad shot.
Brooklyn! Ah.
GG.
Hey, a little part of me was rooting for you to throw a six-bagger.
I believe you.
For the content.
Of course.
Yeah.
That would have been sick.
Yeah. All right, so spare for 150. $149. All right, so Jesse, final score 149 to 190. So now we're tied 1-1.
We're tied 1-1.
So maybe next year, because at this point it's...
Do we have to wait a whole year?
No, we don't have to wait a whole year. But let us know in the comments. The first match, oh, they were both been on my channel.
They have both been on your
They have
channel.
both been on your channel. Maybe the next one we'll do it on your channel. Maybe we'll do a 2v2, me and Simo versus you and Darren.
I don't know if that's very likely, but we'll try.
Whatever. Yeah, let us know in the comments. Do you want to see episode 3? And tell them, happy Vlogmas.
Happy Vlogmas, day 21.
Possibly day 21. Now I have to post it on day 21.
Could be day 20, could be 22. Who knows?
Could be 20,
It's
could be
close to
22.
Christmas.
It's close to Christmas. Hey, happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
I appreciate you.
Use code Luis on coolwick.com.
Napoles10 on coolwick.com. Or code Lewis20 on howtobowl.com.
There you go.